Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to give you a 6-month update on my plastic surgery. Yes, it's been 6 months already. I feel great, and I just wanted to give you guys just a little bit of an update. I will be having a revision surgery next week, Wednesday the 21st, so yeah, I just wanted to show you what my scars and incisions and all that stuff looks like right now currently, and what my stomach and everything looks like currently, and give you the reason why I'm having a revision. So if you're interested in this video, it's going to be a quick one, very quick. But if you're interested, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, anything, advice, please leave it down in the comments. I would love to see your guys' stories, advice, questions. I'd love to answer them as well. I've been through a lot and experienced it. So let's jump into the video. What my stomach looks like after my tummy tuck is all healed, and you can see my scar from hip to hip. Currently my stomach has a lot of extra skin. I did this fat burning ultrasound thing. I did 8 sessions of it for free, so it killed a lot of the fat in my stomach, but now I'm left with this extra skin. So basically what I'm having done on Wednesday the 21st is a mini tummy tuck, which will be a smaller, same incision, just to pull the extra skin that I have down, just to pull this extra skin down and get rid of it. And then also he's just going to do a little bit more lipo on the sides here. So that is what my stomach is currently looking like. I'm not completely flat, as you can tell, so he is just gonna fix me up and do a revision. This is what my breast lift is looking like. The scar, this opened up while I was healing during my first surgery, but you can see it looks like barely anything. And then this is the scar, the anchor scar, that looks really good. And here's this side as well. As you can see, scar looks amazing. This one's a little bit darker. That's alright. So that is what I currently look like right now, so I'm very excited. Now for this surgery, Wednesday the 21st, I'll be getting a mini tummy tuck and just additional lipo in the stomach area. And for that, I'm not going to be going under with anesthesia. I'm just going to be doing a local IV and also some Valium just to keep me nice and calm. So yeah, I will update you and, you know, like kind of share my experience with not going under and having that all done. Guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video, and yes, I will see you after my surgery again.